Have you ever felt small next to someone else? Have you ever thought, they are better than me? It hurts. It makes you doubt yourself. Let's listen to a short story about it. This is David. He is a young villager. He watches his friends. They seem smarter. They seem richer. They seem faster. David thinks he is not enough. He wants to feel good about himself. David feels sad each day. He wakes and compares. He says, "Why not me?" He feels small and tired. He feels inadequate. His smile becomes quiet. He does not enjoy his day. One day, David meets Grandpa Thomas. Grandpa Thomas is wise and kind. They walk in the forest together. Grandpa Thomas points to a bird and a fish. He says gently, "Look at them." The bird cannot swim. The fish cannot fly. Each has its gift. David listens. He thinks. His heart begins to open. David learns something simple. He learns we are not the same on purpose. Each person has their own path, their own journey. David tries to find his gifts. He tries small steps each day. He feels his worth again. He smiles at himself. Don't compare your journey to others. Your value is unique. The word compare means to look at two things to see how they are different or similar. For example, she likes to compare her shoes with her friend's shoes. Repeat after me. Compare. The word inadequate means not good enough. For example, he felt inadequate when he could not finish the race. Repeat after me. Inadequate. The word journey means your life path or experience. For example, her journey to learn English was slow but steady. Repeat after me. Journey. The word unique means one of a kind. For example, his art style is unique and beautiful. Repeat after me. Unique. The word success means achieving your goal. For example, finishing the little project felt like success. Repeat after me. Success. The word worth means the value of something or someone. For example, she learned her worth and felt proud. Repeat after me. Worth. Remember, your path is your own. Do not measure your life by another person's steps. If this story inspired you, like this video and comment one thing you learned today. Remember, every story teaches a word, and every word teaches a lesson.